Hi Linda, Simon from Little Big Marketing here. I spoke to you earlier about shooting this video for you guys to look at ranking your website, and this will show you basically pretty eye-opening, really, how much traffic you could collect from being on page one Google, and how many customers and calls that might lead to. So I'm going to get into this really quick. It's only going to take about 5 minutes. So the three things I'm going to talk about are: number one, content; number two, backlinks and citations; and number three is keywords. Now, content, what I'm referring to is basically wording on your website. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage of your website, and that allows Google to know exactly what your site is, what what keywords it can rank for, because you put your keywords into the content, and essentially, if that there's enough information there for any customer who comes along that can read it, and that they're going to be able to make an informed choice. So, other than that, the site's really nice. Just needs a few more images and some more wording. Now, I've put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, which basically buys statistics from Google and presents them to us in a really easy to read way and tells us exactly what's going on in the background of your website. Now, without going too deep, the main things you want to do are raise these numbers. This is URL rating, UR, and DR is domain rating. The higher these are, at 0 to 100, the more likely you are to rank on page one of Google for keywords, which I'll explain in a minute. What gets these numbers higher? Number one is backlinks. Backlinks here, you've got 45 coming from 15 different domains. The idea is you want to go out to other sites that are relevant to your industry with high domain rating and high URL rating, and get a link from their site so that if anyone were to click on that, it might say something like, the best plumbers in San Diego use these guys, and it's got your website there, and people click on it, it takes them to your website. That's what a backlink is. Essentially, that Google looks at those, and it's as though those websites are passing your website authority. Really, really important for ranking your website. So that's backlinks. Now, keywords are basically any search phrase that someone might enter into Google. One of them here is plumber San Diego, which is what I've looked at for you because it's relevant to your business. And the number one thing I want to point out first is drain cleaning. You're not showing up in the map pack. And I can't see your site here anywhere either, certainly not in the top sort of 10. So I'm not sure if you've got a Google My Business. I'm sure you do, but what you need to do is go out and get citations. So backlinks and citations. Citations are basically anywhere on the web or any directory where your business name, your phone number, and your address is listed. And the more of those you get, the more likely you'll be in the top three here. These are used a ton for services like plumbing and other local services, and also for people searching on mobile phones. These get a lot of clicks. So really important getting there. And you also need to get some reviews. I don't know how many reviews you've got because I can't see you, but you want to be up around these top guys and to compete with them. Now, going past the sort of the review sites here, Yelp and whatever this is, Consumer Affairs, your top two competitors are Anderson Plumbing and Bill Howe. So I'm just going to show you what these guys are achieving for being on page one for Plumber San Diego and whatever other keywords they're ranking for. Now, if we come along to their website, this is Anderson Plumbing. It's a nice looking website, nothing wrong with it. Not a lot of content, so going to be quite easy for you to beat in terms of wording and content. And I put them into this tool here. They've got a lot of referring domains. You don't need to have that many. As long as the links are better quality, you could beat them with 100 links. We would still aim to have more links and better quality links. That way, they can never catch you. Once you take over them, you'll take over them for a long time. Now, what you can see here is they're ranking for 10,700 keywords, and from that, they're getting 4,900 clicks per month. I don't have to tell you that ends up in a lot of calls and a lot of business for them. If we have a look at the specific keywords they're ranking for and the traffic they're attaining from that, everyone's always ranks for their name, position one. That's searched for 2,700 times per month, and they get 600 clicks. Once again, Plumber San Diego, 1,200 times searched for per month, and they're getting 217 clicks per month. Drain cleaning, I'm sure you guys do drain cleaning, 102 clicks per month. Plumbing San Diego, 85. As you go down this list and you see how they're on position one or on the first page for a lot, they're getting a lot of clicks. And it all adds up to a huge amount. So, in this case, nearly 5,000 clicks per month. Bill Howe, same thing, another nice site. Could easily beat them with content as well. And if we put them in here, once again, they've got a lot of referring domains. Now, I don't know if you noticed before that Anderson Plumbing was actually above them, even though these guys have got 200 more referring domains. Because these numbers possibly aren't quite as good, yeah, they're not ranking as highly. However, because they're ranking for so many keywords, they're getting a huge amount of clicks per month, which is worth 126,000 per month. I mean, that's insane. So if we come along here once again, look at the traffic that they're ranking for, all these position 1, 3, 4, and the amount of clicks for plumbing, 73, 56, 46 if you're servicing North County. You can see it just adds up. All these clicks, all the way up to 7,500 plus clicks per month. So that's the idea of it. You get onto page one, you end up with a heck of a lot of traffic and a heck of a lot of phone calls and a heck of a lot of business. So if that's something you're interested in, either now or in the future, please feel free to reach out and let me know and we can chat. Hope you have a great day. Once again, my name is Simon from Little Big Marketing. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.